Pico is no newcomer to VR. It revealed its first headset in 2016. Last year it was acquired by ByteDance, the Chinese tech giant behind TikTok. Pico has always sold to Chinese consumers but focused on businesses elsewhere. This changed earlier this year with the launch of Pico Neo 3 Link to European consumers, but it was pitched as a beta program, with the company teasing a successor by offering a discount on it to Neo 3 Link buyers. That successor is Pico 4. Pre-orders opened for Pico 4 last month, and the company hasn't been able to ship them all for launch due to unprecedented global demand. Global here refers to Europe, Japan, South Korea, and China. Pico 4 isn't sold in North America or Australia and New Zealand. Much of the discussion so far about Pico 4 has centered on the on-paper technical specs. We have a rundown of those with a comparison to Quest 2 already, but in this review, I'm going to talk about the experience those specs create when they all come together, what the device is like in real usage, and whether or not you should actually buy one instead of a Quest 2. The first thing you'll notice about Pico 4 is its slimmer and lighter visor. Whereas Quest 2's visor weighs 470 grams without straps, Pico 4 without straps is almost 40% lighter at 295 grams. I give the weight of the visor the front rather than the overall headset because that's what you actually feel pressing against your face. Pico 4's rigid strap is similar to Quest 2's Elite strap accessory and has the battery built into the rear part of the reason the visor is lighter. This balance is the weight significantly better than the default flimsy elastic strap that gives Quest 2 its front heavy feeling out of the box. The downside to Pico 4's strap is that it's not removable, so you can't choose a third-party alternative. The combination of the lighter visor and the battery as a rear counterbalance weight makes a dramatic difference to comfort. It no longer feels like a brick strapped to your face. Frankly, Quest 2 just looks and feels antiquated next to Pico 4. It's noticeably boxier and heavier. Pico 4's facial interface material also feels much gentler on your face. It's the same kind of breathable fabric that was used for Oculus Go, rather than the cheap-feeling face-hurting foam that comes with Quests. With Quest 2 you need multiple accessories to make it comfortable: a proper strap and a replacement facial interface. Pico 4 is comfortable out of the box. It's a refreshing change. There is, however, a major issue with Pico 4's comfort, but it only affects some people. Pico 4 has continuous lens separation adjustment to theoretically support a wide range of interpupillary distances (IPDS), which is great for visual comfort. But while the lenses can get as close as 58mm, there is a good reason the spec sheet only claims support for 62mm, 72mm. To set the IPD below 62mm, you need to accept a notice warning you that the lenses might press directly against your nose. Trying this out, the nose crushing was so uncomfortable I would actually describe it as a design flaw. If your IPD is over 62mm, you won't even notice this flaw exists, but if it's below, I really don't recommend buying Pico 4.